Hello everyone, in this video we will explain about the inputs of control quality process and the importance of its inputs as well.
Exactly. We will begin with a brief explanation of the inputs. Here we go.
The first input is quality management plan. Quality management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes how applicable policy, procedures, and guidelines will be implemented to achieve the quality objectives. Then the second one is quality metrics. This will especially describe a project or product throughput and how the control quality process will verify compliance to it.
The third one is quality control measurement. This input will be used for analyzing and evaluating the quality of the process and deliverables of the project against the standards of organization's performance or the requirements specified. Then, there is a test and evaluation document. The aim of having this input is to evaluate the achievement of quality objectives.
The fifth one is approve change requests. This can be set as the disposition of all change requests are recorded in the change log as a project document update.
The deliverables are any unique and verifiable product, result, or capability to perform a service that is required to be produced to complete a process, phase, or project.
Then, we will talk about the importance of its input on the next section.
So basically, each input has its own importance, as it's involved during the process as well. For the quality management, it is important to have this input for the cashier application development due to its urgencies of installment process and some security issues that might affect the business process of the sponsor's organization. And it's also important to have the quality metrics as the input. It is important because sponsors need to know what are the things that can be elaborated by the cashier application and also the tangible and the intangible effect that have to be considered. It also goes with quality control measurements input. This input is important because sponsors need to know the requirement that already fulfilled and the other which did not fulfilled yet.
Then, as we know, there are also test and evaluation document that is useful for determining the detailed RTM of the project. There's also a document called Approved Change Request that also came up from change management phase, which will be useful on tracing the existing change requests, which are approved and those which are not. And the last input is deliverables. As we know, the deliverables are important because it depicted the project itself. In this case, the deliverables can be determined as the cashier application itself and its supporting parts. It will show the sponsor of how well the requirements met the actual realization of the project.
Okay, we already mentioned the things that become our goals of creating this video.
And, for the recap, its input will be useful for the process on its own way. We just need to make sure that its input are well gathered and well used.
Perfect. And for the optimal output, we also have to maximize the important part of each input which walk along with the tools and technique as well.
Thank you for watching this video.